Well, hi, Nathan and Emily. It's Grandma Carrie, and I'm here to read you another story. I'm sitting here in Grandpa's den. Can you see the big fish up behind me? That's Grandpa's great big walleye on the wall. Are you ready for a good book? This is another one of my favorites. It's about cookies. Who doesn't like cookies? And Nathan, do you remember what the sign for cookie is? If we want a cookie, we put our hand out and we make a cookie cutter shape with our hand, and it is cookie, cookie, cookie is a sign when you would like to have a cookie. And the title of this book is The Doorbell Rang. And look, here's Ma and all of the children in the kitchen. Let's see what happens. Oh, here's Ma. She just took out a tray of cookies from the oven. Well, I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Well, good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Well, share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. Look at that big tray of cookies. Delicious. Well, that's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. There's Sam and Victoria. Well, they look as good as Grandma, said Victoria. And, oh, they smell as good as Grandma, said Sam. Well, no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as ding dong, the doorbell rang. And it was Tom and Hannah from next door. Well, come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. There's more seats at the table. Well, let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 children. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. Oh, they smell as good as your grandma, said Tom. And they look as good, said Hannah. Well, no one makes cookies as good like Grandma, said Ma, as ding dong, the doorbell rang. And it was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Well, there's more seats at the table. Well, let's see. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 6, that's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. Oh, they look as good as your grandma, said Peter. And, oh, they smell good too. Well, no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as you know. Ding dong, the doorbell rang. And it was Joy and Simon and their 1, 2, 3, 4 cousins. Well, come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. And here's all the other children. They're looking and they're counting. Well, let's see. Now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 children. That is 1 cookie each, said Sam and Victoria. Oh, they smell as good as your grandma, said Joy. And they look as good, said Simon. Well, no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as ding dong, the doorbell rang. And everybody looks to the door. Uh-oh, now what would they do? Do they have more cookies? Oh, they do not have more cookies. And ding dong, the doorbell rang. Well, oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Well, perhaps you'd better just eat them before we open the door. Oh, we'll wait, said Sam. And it was... Look who came to the door. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma. As ding dong, the doorbell rang again. What a great book. And there's a kitty sitting at the kitchen counter. Well, this week, I think Grandpa Tim is going to make cookies and not Grandma. So he is going to make peanut butter cookies with peanut butter cups on top. And we remember and sign, cookie, cookie, cookie. Thank you for listening. Much love to you both.